Hoenshell. Hand off the throttle. His hands off the throttle. You kidding me? Make some noise. Yes. Go get him, Eric. Eric Hoenshell. Oklahoma City's finest right there, ladies and gentlemen. That was good right there. I told you to keep your cameras out. Jason is right here. You guys are standing ovation right now. Take away and say thank you for coming out. JJ, go touch the handlebars. Don't so close. Close only counts with horseshoes and hand grenades, from what I'm told. A lot of you now. You know, Jay is a perfectionist. He doesn't quit. Give him some encouragement, you guys. Give him some encouragement. Make some noise for him. This is what we call the Jedi mind trick. The bike has a mind of its own, but Jason is controlling that bike with willpower. Make some noise for him, ladies and gentlemen. Make some noise. Get him down. Break it on down, Jay. You know, sometimes the bike does get sleepy. Sometimes the bike does get sleepy, and then we just put it to bed. Just like that. Just like that. This is Jason Britton, ladies and gentlemen. We're just getting warmed up with 180s. Right-handed stoppies. Eric Hoenshell. There's that stoppie. There it is. There it is. Coming off the throttle, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Jason Britton, hand off the throttle. Don't see you. Oh, it's fun, bro. Hand behind the back. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for him. I see you, Eric. Sit down, precision circle wheelies. Pull so tight. Jay still rocking out on one wheel. Jay, what's that? Ride that out, boy. What's that? Ride that out. Ride that out. Yeah. I see you, Jay. Check the rotation right here, ladies and gentlemen. Check the rotation. Make some noise for it, ladies and gentlemen. Jay's walking through the combos. Walking around there with that bike balance on one wheel. This is your YouTube moment. This is your YouTube moment. Make some noise for it, ladies and gentlemen. One-handed. Please. One-handed. One-handed stopping, yes. Eric Hoenshell. Eric Hoenshell coming in hot. 180 stop. Nice transition. Up to one wheel. Let me hear it, you guys. Make some noise. His hand is off the throttle. No hands. No. Yes. Yes. I see you, Jay. Mr. Jason Britton, ladies and gentlemen. Up in 50-50 position. There you go. Quick reminder, this floor is as slick as it looks. We've laid down some product to get it a little sticky, but make some noise from you guys. Make some noise. Make some noise. Wait for the rotation.